The identity of the MCU's new Black Panther may have been spoiled thanks to an upcoming Lego set for Black Panther: Wakanda Forever. After kicking off Phase 4 in 2020, Marvel Studios is reaching the end of it as they get ready to launch Phase 5 in early 2023. While Tatiana Maslany's She-Hulk, Attorney at Law serves as the last MCU series on Disney Plus for 2022, one final Phase 4 movie is coming up that will pull millions of heartstrings. While Black Panther: Wakanda Forever comes out in theaters this November, it will be one of the MCU's most emotionally charged installments due to the tragic loss of T'Challa actor Chadwick Boseman, who passed away in August 2020. Even though the Black Panther franchise is going forward, the upcoming sequel will serve as a tribute to Boseman while also saying goodbye to T'Challa. The circumstances are being kept under wraps, but Black Panther: Wakanda Forever is confirmed to follow in the wake of King T'Challa's death. The MCU installment will see the forces of Wakanda fight for their nation while also dealing with the Marvel hero Namor. However, the Black Panther: Wakanda Forever teaser trailer made it clear that someone new will pick up the mantle after T'Challa's passing. Like most MCU projects, Marvel Studios tries to keep spoilers locked away, but a new Lego set may have confirmed who will be the new Black Panther. Instagram user _Zeus shared photos of an upcoming Black Panther: Wakanda Forever Lego set, which features multiple characters from the film. Labeled War on the Water, one character who stands out the most from the collection is Princess Shuri sporting the Black Panther suit, the same one from the Wakanda Forever teaser trailer. The paralleled artwork on the front and back of the box strongly suggests she is the set's Black Panther. The Lego set also includes Namor, M'Baku, Okoye, and another new MCU hero, Ironheart. Screen Rant has reached out to Lego for comment, and we will update this article with more information when it's available. Check out the images below. Despite being a huge spoiler, this won't be the first time a massive plot point from an upcoming MCU film gets revealed through merchandise and other promotional material. In late July, another Black Panther: Wakanda Forever Lego set strongly alluded to Shuri being the one that takes over for T'Challa. Even though none of the photos list Shuri as Black Panther, it's not hard to put all the pieces together. There was a point in the comics where Shuri became Black Panther after T'Challa got severely injured in a battle. Black Panther: Wakanda Forever is seemingly taking some inspiration from that arc for the MCU counterpart. Given the comic lore and Letitia Wright's increased role in Black Panther: Wakanda Forever, it makes perfect sense for Shuri to pick up the mantle. Even before the film began principal photography, it was wildly speculated that the MCU would make Shuri the new Black Panther, despite the unfortunate circumstances. There is always the possibility that Marvel Studios is trolling fans by releasing fake merchandise while keeping the actual new Black Panther's identity under wraps. But, at this point, it seems like a safe bet that Black Panther: Wakanda Forever will see Shuri take over for her late brother and continue the legacy. Source: _Zeus Instagram key release dates: Black Panther: Wakanda Forever release date: 2022, 11/11 Ant-Man and the Wasp: Quantumania release date: 2023, 02/17, Guardians of the Galaxy Vol. 3 release date: 2023, 05/05 The Marvels Captain Marvel 2 release date: 2023, 07/28 Blade 2023 release date: 2023, 11/03 Captain America: New World Order release date: 2024, 05/03 Marvel's Thunderbolts release date: 2024, 07/26 Marvel's Fantastic Four release date: 2024, 11/08 Avengers: The Kang Dynasty release date: 2025, 05/02 Avengers: Secret Wars release date: 2025, 11/07.